Yo, first order of the day is a Starbucks. This one is $6 going 1 mile. Morning. Yeah. Of course, it's upstairs. Okay, now we've started Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and the first order is going to be a Jack in the Box going 6.5 miles.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
I just had a DoorDash for Kyle.
Alright, see you out the window.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Me too. Now imagine if every order was that quick. Total for that order ended up being $10 and change. I was honestly expecting a no tip because it was like 1 3-piece combo, but they actually tipped relatively well, so let's go. Next up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This one is going, I think it said 6.5 miles.
There you go.
Total for that one was just under $13. Not bad at all. Oh, I just realized I did not bring my charger, so I might have to make a quick pit stop and buy one. Well, that's annoying. I was just pulling in so I can get a charger, but I got a quick Starbucks order. This one is $6 going 1 mile. Try that again, shall we? Looking for chargers. Which way would that be?
So it's going to be in the form of a photo on aisle 11, right hand side.
Okay.
Bring me up the photo and then I'll have someone check and see if you've got it.
Well, that doesn't really help.
Nothing.
No luck now.
Sorry.
Like, all good. Oh, this is actually perfect. So I came to Safeway to give it another try, and I just parked like 20 seconds ago, but I just got an order for Safeway. This is a shop and deliver. This is $12 going 1 mile, 3 items. Don't mind if I do. Oh, this is not it, actually.
Oh, that's not it?
No,
Okay.
sorry. Okay, probably don't have it then.
Okay.
Well, they got unlucky, but I got what I needed. So I consider that a win. Except I'm pretty sure that water is gonna go upstairs, so maybe not so much of a win. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's going 5 miles.
$727.
Yeah, thank you. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $5 and change. We've got a stack going to the same person. This is, I don't even know what this place is. All it's saying for me is La Tienda Santa Cruz, which just means the Santa Cruz store. Ignore my Spanglish. And Starbucks. These are going just under 9 miles. Yes. Thank you. Total for that stack was $17, and it only took me about 24 minutes. And we got the next order right away. This one is Joe Brown's Cafe, going 4 miles. Yeah, you as well.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $14. What the heck? Thank you very much. Next up, we've got an order for Food Cafe. This one is $12, going 6 miles. Oh, I didn't realize this was going across the river. I might unassign this one. It is like peak morning traffic hours, so I'm not sure yet. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
As I was in there, they gave me an add-on order. This one said it was going an extra mile. I'm not really sure in which direction. I don't know if this is also going across the river or if it's a stop beforehand. I'm not sure. Thank you. Man, my mind is all over the place today. I don't even know if I said what this add-on was. It was $7 going an additional mile. This is Don Taco going, I think it's at 9.5 miles.
Put it in.
Well, we kind of have a bit of a situation here. The GPS is giving me 2 different locations. What is the name of your apartment?
Okay, give me a second. No, you still need to go further.
Okay, it's further east. Okay, she just hung up on me.
Oh,
Hi, I just wanted to double check the location is correct.
yeah, you're there.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. That's hilarious. All that for a no tip. I should have just left it at the first location and called it a day. Total for that was $9. That is so bad. But we got the next order right away. This is Panera going 5 miles. Hello? Just right in front of the door. Thank you. Had that previous order call me again, asking if I left the food outside their door. Yep, definitely did. It's all on camera too, so don't try anything funky. So I'm looking at this current order. Can somebody tell me what a kitchen sink cookie is? Back to back, no tips. Gotta love it. Total for that one was just under $7. Current time is 10:31. Total, we are at 117. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.